Something about me. I'm a junior at Columbus State University, Georgia, and my major is computer science. Hello, everyone. My name is Ankush Singh, and I'm a student leader of a non-profit organization called Design Your Careers. At DYC, we teach kids for free about different subjects, which could be potentially careers. All the lessons also made by students like you, and with commitment, you can start teaching at DYC too. DYC is also a non-profit organization and a central platform which strives to showcase everyone's talents or skills by running various applied education and hands-on learning free workshops. DYC is a one-stop platform for all of the types of leadership opportunities and volunteer needs. So about this course, there's gonna be introduction to cloud security, and there's gonna be why is it important, what are the cloud security issues, there are going to be offense and defense security, like what it is, and there are going to be public and private clouds. So what is cloud security? Cloud security is the protection of the data, applications, and infrastructure which is involved in cloud computing. There are many aspects of security for cloud environments that are the same as for any on-premise IT architecture, whether it's a public, private, or hybrid cloud. Why is cloud security important? Cloud security is important for both business and personal users, and it also helps organizations of all sizes operate at scale. Cloud security offers many benefits like protect our business from threats, guarding against internal threats, centralized security, and reliability. Why cloud security is important in business? It's important in business because it helps to guard against security breaches, it helps to manage remote work, it ensures disaster recovery, it compiles with regulations, it also helps to eliminate weak links and build access levels. As more business shift to the cloud, security will become even more important because it will be the only way hackers can potentially infiltrate a company defense. So there are some cloud security issues which are unauthorized access, hijacking of accounts, lack of visibility, external sharing of data, cyber attacks, data loss, leakage, abuse of cloud security. What could be the solution for cloud security? Secure assets used in the cloud. Training in school should be enabled you to identify databases that contain sensitive information and provide extra protection through encryption or monitoring them. Determine who's accessing what. Employees within an organization have different privilege. For instance, database administrators have access valuable data. So, what is offense and defense security? Offensive security is a proactive and adversarial approach to protecting computer systems, networks, and individuals from attacks. Defensive security focusing on reactive measures such as patching software and fixing system weaknesses. Scanning and pen testing used to be challenging due to restrictions put in place by the cloud providers. There are many points to consider when planning a weakness management strategy in the cloud, and pen testing naturally follows these points. The tools and processes are different, so it's important to focus on automation and event driven defenses more than ever. What is public and private clouds? The public cloud is available to the public in a free or pay per use capacity and accessible via the web. Public supports multiple customers, and it also supports internet connectivity. And private cloud is the same service, but it's behind our firewall, which limits our access to our internal departments, employees, and customers. Private clouds also share virtualized resources and cluster of dedicated customers. So here you all can see on this slide there are some public and private cloud providers. Public cloud providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, GPE, which is Google Cloud Platform, and in private cloud providers, HPE, Dell, and Microsoft. So many of you could be thinking about like, is cloud security is a good career or not? Well, cloud computing refers to the field of computer science where specialists handle the data on the cloud. It's a rapidly rising field with several job offers. It comprises database software made available to the general public via the internet. Cloud computing, along with the cybersecurity, is definitely a good option. The increase in the use of cloud has resulted in the increase of data breach. A data breach is the intentional and unintentional release of secure or private confidential information to an untrusted environment. There are some skills to build successful cloud computing career which are coding and database management, courses and certifications, cloud platforms and technologies. And in specific roles we can get skills in Python and Java. There are some several key roles that must be present in any cybersecurity team, regardless of its size. Obviously, small companies cannot hire full scale cloud security IT teams, and neither they should. If you are a relatively small business, a single cloud security specialist or outsourced can enough to fill all the roles which are listed on this slide. There are three key practices in cloud security. The first one is gain visibility, second one is trust but verify, third one is monitor and investigate. Many, however, find themselves scaling with limited visibility into what is happening from a risk perspective inside their cloud infrastructures, and in particular inside their workloads and cloud services where applications are running and business critical data resides. Policy based behavioral monitoring also allows your security systems to learn new patterns and adapt policies as needed, while investigating exceptions with the right context for accurately weighing security risk versus anomaly. So at the end, you all can see there are some additional learning links which can help you to gain some more knowledge about cloud security.
Thank you for watching. For details, visit www.designyourcareers.org or send an email to info@designyourcareers.org. Subscribe to our channel, Design Your Careers, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a video.